Look. Wait, there's one on the road. Whoop, watch your step. We can see way out there. Beautiful. Some knob. Where are we at? Chestnut. You can see Charlotte. We are headed to South Mountains State Park, located within the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina. It is a rugged mountain park with the 80-foot High Shoals Waterfall, 40 miles of trails, trout fishing, mountain biking, and equestrian camping. At over 20,000 acres, it is the largest of the North Carolina state parks, encompassing a large part of the South Mountains range. It has excellent facilities, including a nice visitor center, as well as plenty of restrooms, picnic areas, and campsites. Wildlife is abundant in the forests of South Mountains, including white-tailed deer, black bears, and smaller mammals such as woodchucks, chipmunks, and raccoons. It's a pretty good sized parking lot, but I understand it does get full during busy times and there is a little bit of overflow. There's restrooms here. Chestnut Knob. That's where we're going. We will be taking the popular Chestnut Knob Trail, which provides a distant view of High Shoals Falls on the way to extraordinary mountain views. From the Overlook, on a clear day, you can see the city skyline of Charlotte that sits over 50 miles away. Like many of the trails we've been on, it seems they start out uphill right away, and that's what we're facing here. So just take a careful look at the switchbacks. There is one switchback here where it goes up there. That's the way we're supposed to go, but we, as well as some other hikers, went straight, and it just goes for another couple hundred feet and it stops. Falls. Let's see if I can. Couple miles into all this, and we're kind of at a little bit of a ridge line here on a peak, but there's evidently been a lot of downed trees and been a lot of work. I think there was a fire a few years back. I'm not sure how long ago, but you can see some of the young growth. Last little push to the top. Almost there.
Oh yeah, I'm doing fabulous like usual.
Especially when you're almost to the top.
Yeah.
All right. Chestnut Knob Overlook is that way. Chestnut Knob Trail goes that way, and that will take us to the peak. But I think that's pretty short, the peak. So we'll probably go up to the peak first and then check out the overlook. So this is the last little bit to the summit. You can kind of get a hint out at the side that it opens up. I'm sure it looks really good at the overlook. But here we are at the summit. A little anticlimactic at the peak because it's not a good overlook. Lots of trees around here and stuff, but you can tell this is the high point. Summit of Chestnut Knob. That's on grandfather.
Oh. Calhoun?
Knob. Or some knob. Where are we at?
Chestnut.
Chestnut Knob.
Pretty. I knew it started with the C.
So here we are at the peak of Chestnut Knob. Far-reaching views. I think in the distance you can see the skyline of Charlotte. 50 miles by road. Probably.
We can see our house from here.
It's right here. Coming down off the mountain. Remember what I said about it getting full? Well, now is one of those times. The parking lot is full. But here we are, back at our Subaru. Thanks for watching. We hope this gets you excited about getting out and exploring on your own. Click to the right to subscribe. Click to the left for more adventures.